my name is NewFlowerGirl, but you can call me Demi, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing parkour volcano again, but I want to dive straight into it. So yeah, I thought let's start here. So yeah, yeah, I want to complete it. So I want to do the volcano thing, the timed thing where the lava is rising. I want to do that today. So yeah, that's basically why, because the time is already starting. So yeah, I'm gonna be quiet a lot during this video, by the way, guys. So yeah. The music is awesome. Okay, let's do this. I barely thought I was gonna make it. Okay. Ooh. I forgot about that one. Okay. Lava's still rising. I'm doing great. I'm doing good so far. Okay. 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 It's going well. I don't want to jinx it. That was where I went wrong the first time. Okay. I don't want to mess it up. But I know it's going to be good content if I do mess it up. Oh, this is stressful. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the furthest I've made it. Come on. Come on, Demi. Come on, Demi, you can escape this volcano. Oh, okay. I've got fire resistance. What's that? Oh. I did it. I think I did it. That was really an anticlimactic. Actually, no, let's keep it to this. Whoa! Okay. Okay. Oh my god, that's good. Rank B! go! I made it to rank B. That's pretty good. Actually, I would have been rank C because rank B is under 33 minutes. And I'm sorry if this music is really loud. Give me 1 second. Audio, everything's been changed. Music is off. Okay. Okay, well that means are there any Easter eggs here? I mean, there were, right? Let me land on this 3. Damn it! No. Well, that sucked. Volcano only. Oh, this one takes you to the volcano. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Well, I thought they were like... Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that. And what about this? The coast and the blast. Oh, the Easter eggs. Yeah, I don't think I will. So, yeah. I think that's it. Short video, eh? I know, it's a short video. But, like, hey, what else can I do? And why can I not escape now? There we go. But yeah. Parkour volcano has been conquered. Even though I didn't find the Easter eggs. I might do, like, try it again. Like the full thing. And then find the Easter eggs. I might watch a video. I mean, that's what I did for Parkour Spiral 1. So yeah. I apologize that this video was very, very short. But I didn't think I was gonna die. Which is unfortunate. I mean, why did it not, like, spawn me, like, wherever I went? Like, way up there. And why did I not keep my inventory? I mean... I don't even have my elytra. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and also consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any other video. But that's it for me for now, and I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye!